Okay. Slightly different frame on these Dewhurst buttons. A side-mounted panel. This is a hydraulic generic lift in a bed shop in Bromley. Wow, the doors actually cover the entire width of the cab. Wow. This is a bed shop. Here we are at one. Looks like an old lift that's been modernised to me. Where's the capacity information? Oh, up there. Doesn't even have a brand name on it. Like I said, I'm wondering if this is an older lift that's been modernised. Truth is, I just don't know. And the desk is just outside, so I'll have to cut the camera off when the door's open. Nice and quiet. Yeah.